Most people have no idea that their money is actually losing value in the bank, but I'm going to show you how to stop that right now. As an investment banker that works with the top 1%, advising them on their finances, I can tell you categorically, the rich don't leave their money in the bank. They send it to work. And that is how they keep getting richer. My question is, why not you? You can be a part of this money community and be among that 92% losing money to the bank, making the bank rich at your own detriment. In this short video, I will tell you what to do instead, how your money can make more money for you instead of lying idle in your bank, losing value. You will argue, is it actually losing value? We're going to do that calculation together shortly. Welcome to the money community. I am Financial Jennifer. I am an investment banker, a chartered stockbroker, a chartered accountant. On this channel, we're all about securing the bag. If you are interested in passive income, side hustle, investment, growing your money the way the rich do, this is the community where you should be. Hit that subscribe button right away. Welcome to the channel. Before I continue, please do me a favor. Could you please like this video? Please, 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 even if you're among the 92%, no verse, like this video. I'm going to tell you what you should do with your money instead. Thank you so much. It means so much to me. It helps you to know that we are doing the Lord's work on this channel. And we are really growing. Have you seen our numbers? As I'm recording this video now, we are at, I think, 9,000 something. Oh my God, we are blowing up. People are sharing the channel to their people, to their family. Thank you so much, everyone. And thanks for liking the video. Have you done it? Thank you. Okay, let's continue. So when I say you're losing money in your bank, in fact, you think like, I'm not among the 92%. Let's do it like this. So if last year, for example, you have, let's say 100,000 naira, right? And you want to buy a bag of rice with it. That last year, that 100,000 will buy you 2 bags of rice, right? That's 50,000 as at then. But now, after 1 year, the same 100,000, how many bags of rice will it buy for you? God. Let me know. Answer me in the comments. Right now, how many bags of rice can 100,000 buy for you right now in Nigeria? Are you losing money? Yes or no? Let's not talk about the nonsense bank charges. So let's not talk about the annoying, what do they call it? Maintenance charge. This one, that one, grandmother charge. Ah, God, these banks will frustrate you. So why do we continue to leave our money idle when there are alternatives for us to grow it? So instead of leaving your money idle in the bank for it to lose value, what will you do instead? Invest it. But let me show you something. Do this calculation with me. Let's assume you have 5 million naira and that money, leaving it in the bank versus leaving it somewhere it will grow for you, which is better. Let the calculation, let data tell us which is better. So I'm going to use Optimus app, for example, right? Let's look at this together. Okay, so on Optimus now, for that 5 million, if I come to Optilock here, Optilock Naira, create a plan. What's the plan name? Let's say savings, right? Continue. How much do we have? Let's assume 5 million, right? 5 million naira for, let's say, 1 year. Okay. Oh my God, can you see this? How much interest are you going to make? What? Ah, God, wait, let me call it well. 1,02,739 naira 73 kobo. Compare it to the person that left their own in the bank. You left 5 million in the bank. By the time you come back, let's forget inflation that would have made it worth less than 1 million. Trust me, it can never be 1 million again because we don't even pay you. Normally, savings account is supposed to pay interest, right? But most of them, because it's an account you use every day, now you move money a couple of times, they won't pay you the interest again. So that is automatically 0%. And some that we pay, sometimes you see 2%, you see 3%. But look at the analysis we did now. 20% per annum. 20%. Why would you choose 0% as against 20%? And that is what more than 92% of people are doing. But you are a financially inclined person. You are not among them because you know better. You are a part of this community. So instead of leaving your money losing value in the bank, what do you do instead? Number one is what I just showed you. Move it a fintech platform. No, don't leave it in the bank. Move it a fintech platform. Many of them pay attractive interest. See this one now, Optimus by AfriInvest. I think I have done a previous video on this before. I'm going to link the right link to sign up on the description, right? And even the previous video I have done on Optimus, I will link them in the description. So when you move your money to a fintech platform, it earns you interest. Inflation will still affect you, yes, but at least you are better off than someone that is earning 0%. That is one. Number two, you can invest it with the government. There are so many ways you can invest with the government. You can invest in savings bond. On this channel, we always talk about savings bond. And the OG members of this community already know. If you are new, welcome. Check my previous video. I will link it in the description. How you can make money investing in savings bond. In fact, the one for, I think the previous ones we did was around 18%, right? Let's do another calculation together. So this one, I'm going to, let's say for that 18%, still on the same 5 million. 18% times 5 million naira. That is 900,000. 900,000 naira. Why are you leaving it in the bank, paying you 0%, giving you charges as against 900K? And with savings bond, this 900K now, they will split it into 4 and they will be paying you quarterly, right? So 900K by 4, each quarter you will get to a particular amount, another quarter a particular amount. Perfect way to earn passive income. Your money is still there for you because at the end of the tenure, you get back your 5 million. Now, if you want to invest in savings bond, we have videos on this channel, which I will link in the description. Go and watch it and get started. Number 3 things you should do with your money instead of leaving it to rot away in the bank. Treasury bills. In fact, treasury bill rates right now are very attractive. Invest in treasury bill. It's an investment with the government, short-term investment, 3 months, 9 months, 6 months. So you will see that I need this money. I don't want to invest. I don't want to invest. It's definitely be in the account because I need it next year. There are short-term investments for you. Treasury bill day for you. So with treasury bill, we are lending to the government for a short period of time, and you get back your money and the interest at the end of the tenure. In fact, this one you can even get the interest ahead of time, right? That is another thing. And then another thing you can do with your money, which should be like the fourth thing you can do with your money, invest in stocks, invest in ETF. All these amazing companies you hear about, Amazon, MTN Bank, Zenith Bank, all of them, you can buy their shares. How do you make money when you buy their shares? 2 ways. Number 1, they will pay you dividend, right? I think today, I tried to receive a dividend from Apple today. Yeah, Apple paid dividend today. I'm in Nigeria, but I'm getting paid from global companies. Amazon, you can invest in Amazon, Tesla, all of these companies, they pay you dividend. That is one way. Number 2 is value appreciation, right? Because when you buy a stock, we expect the price to go up, right? At the end of the day, you can sell at a price higher than what you bought, making a whole lot of money. Let me say, for example, I think, let's even come down to Nigerian stocks. Owando, I bought that stock, I think, is it 5 naira or something? That stock got as high as 20-something naira. Is it in 1 year or thereabout? I can't remember the exact detail. So, had even I left that money, I think I put in like 100K. As at the time of this video, it's worth like 400 and something thousand from 100,000 naira. My dear, your 100K in the bank 100 days ago, it's still the same 100K. What am I even saying? It's no longer 100K because now they remove charges, and that is if emergency, if adulthood has not carried the money. So please, I just want to do this video to tell you that no, I hope I have been able to convince and not confuse you that you must not leave your money in the bank because it is losing value, and that is what most people are doing. The banks you are giving this money to, what do they do with it? They bring it to investment bankers like us. They invest it with your own money. They invest it. So now you are smarter. Now you know better. Now you are a financial person in this community. We have to do better. How do you start? Go to the description now. Pick up all of those videos I mentioned. How to invest in treasury bill, savings bond, stock. Watch them in details and start investing. Tell yourself that the only money you will see in your account is like maybe small money for your day-to-day, right? In fact, even the ideal one, move it a platform like Optimus because you can withdraw anytime you want. So please, no member of this community must be among that 92% because on this channel, we are all about securing the bag. See you on the next videos I mentioned.